healthful diet and lifestyle can help to reduce the risk of hypertension. Changing the diet can significantly reduce high blood pressure. Research has shown that certain foods can lower blood pressure both right away and in the long term. Watching this video till the end, you will get a clear idea how these remedies will help you. So without any further delay, let's get started.
To prepare this magical blood pressure reducer drink, we need 1 apple, half beetroot, 1 carrot, lemon, 1 tomato, ginger and celery seeds. We are going to first peel the skin of the beetroot and we will chop it into small pieces. And we are going to take into a plate. Next we are going to peel the skin of the carrot. Cut the edges. We will cut the carrot also into pieces. We will take the carrot into the plate. And next we are going to cut the apple into pieces. We will remove all the seeds. And we will cut into 3 pieces. We will take into the plate. And we will cut this tomato into fine pieces. We will take half an inch of ginger, peel the skin, and we will cut this fine pieces. Take the ginger into a plate. Now we will add all chopped pieces into the blender jar. Lemon juice, half a wedge of lemon I am squeezing into this, and finally 1 teaspoon of celery seeds. We are going to add half glass of water. We will blend into a fine juice. Here is our juice, and now we are going to transfer this into a serving glass. Here is the magical drink to reduce the high blood pressure. You can drink this juice daily 2 to 3 times. As we have used all nitrate rich veggies and anti-inflammatory ingredients, this is very beneficial and very effective to lower the high blood pressure. To prepare this mint and cucumber juice, we need mint, cucumber, celery seeds, garlic, beetroot, lemon. Peel the skin of the cucumber. Cut the edges. We will add these cucumber pieces to the blender jar. Now we are going to peel the leaves. We need to add these mint leaves to the blender jar. Next we are going to add half beetroot. Peel the skin. We will add this beetroot also. 1 clove of garlic. We will peel the skin. We will add 1 clove. And finally 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds. We will add 1 cup of water. And we are going to blend this into a fine juice. Here is our juice. Now we are going to transfer into a bowl to sieve. Now we are going to transfer this juice into a serving glass. And here is the mint and cucumber juice is ready. Consume this drink daily at least once to keep your sodium levels low. To prepare this beetroot and orange juice, we need beetroot, orange, 1 cup pomegranate seeds and lemon. We will peel the skin of the orange. Cut into pieces. Add these pieces to the blender jar. Add 1 cup of pomegranate seeds. Peel the skin of the beetroot. Cut into pieces. Add these beetroot pieces to the blender jar. And finally we will add lemon juice. Add 2 cups of water. Now we are going to blend this into a fine juice. Here is our juice is ready. Now we are going to transfer into a serving glass. Here is the beetroot and orange juice is ready. Consume this drink daily at least once in a day at your comfortable time, as this drink helps to lower your sodium levels and helps to keep your heart healthy. Here are the few juice recipes to reduce your high blood pressure. These juice recipes helps to keep your sodium levels low by using this beetroot, because beetroot is the ultimate blood purifier. They helps to increase your red blood corpuscles and lowers blood pressure. Try it, drink it and stay healthy.
Did you find this video helpful? Give a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, please hit the bell button for latest videos. Which home remedy would you like to see in next video? Let me know in the comment section.